In this video, I'm going to show you where you can find free videos, including free stock video footage, free video clips, and also free video effects that can be used to enhance your own. Let's get started. Video footage and clips. Buying video clips for your projects from sites like VideoHive can be very cost prohibitive. Expect to pay on average $65 per clip depending on the length and quality of the video. You could get an annual subscription to a site like Storyblocks, which would cost less and save you money. But before you break the bank, let's look at some websites where you can download video clips that you don't have to pay for, even if you intend to use them for commercial and client projects. The first website I want to introduce you to is Pond5, which has more than 9,700 public domain video clips that you're allowed to use freely in any project, whether it's personal, commercial, or on behalf of a client. You can use the built-in search function and the filters on the left-hand side to show only free clips if you don't want the premium videos, After Effects templates, music, and more that they sell to show up in your search results. Unlike the last website, all of the clips on Beachfront B-roll are free. Categories include animals, nature, food and drink, buildings, etc. And there are some cool time-lapse video clips you can download too. Clicking any thumbnail takes you to YouTube to view the clip. And if you like it and want to download it, you can simply right-click to save on the thumbnail that you clicked on originally. The video section of the Pexels website contains hundreds of completely free Creative Commons Zero licensed videos with new clips being uploaded all the time. You don't need to worry about attribution, and you can use any video you download any way you want, whether it's for a personal or a commercial project. You can search by keyword or click on the popular searches link to find the clip that's right for your particular project. The next place I want to tell you about is the Mazwai website, which has a really good collection of high-definition videos that you can use for free for both personal and commercial use. But because these videos come under the Creative Commons 3.0 attribution license, you must give credit to the original author when you use their work in your projects. The collection includes some unique motion and time-lapse footage you won't find anywhere else, but as videos are grouped by creator, it might take a while to find exactly what you want. How about brightening up your Mondays by signing up to this video website's notification service? Every Monday, they upload 7 new videos which have been shot especially for the cover website, which means you can get fresh and unique video content every single week for free, as well as being able to download all the videos in the already extensive library. All the videos come under the Creative Commons Zero license, so you can use them how you want. Pixabay is well known for its free stock imagery. But did you know it's also an excellent website for finding free videos, stock footage, clips, and animations you can use anywhere? All of the footage is Creative Commons Zero licensed, so you can use them in your personal projects, commercial projects, and even to create videos to sell to multiple clients. The website has an excellent search function and a huge collection of videos to choose from without having to spend any money. If you create a free account on Vimeo.com, you can ask to join this group so you can access the free stock footage that's in it. There are over 250 high-definition videos to choose from, all free of charge, which have been uploaded by the group's members. They do have a tip jar if you decide to use a clip and feel like saying thank you with a small donation. The next video website I've got for you is videvo.net. There are more than 6,500 completely free, high-definition stock footage videos for your projects. You can use everything and anything for both personal and commercial projects free of charge. Make sure to tick the box to show only free clips. Otherwise, you'll be seeing the premium ones as well, and you'd have to pay for those. Many of the clips fall under Videvo's standard license and don't need attribution, but some will need attribution under the Creative Commons 3 license, so make sure to check each time you download a clip. The last video footage site I have to tell you about is Videezy.com. There are thousands of free high-definition stock footage clips and 4K videos that you're allowed to use as long as you give credit to the website. You can browse by category and search by keyword, so it should be easy to find what you want for your project. There's also a Pro option where you can purchase credits so you can download premium clips, and the Pro option also lets you use the free clips without the attribution. Now I'll show you where you can get free motion graphics and effects for your videos. Visual effects, or VFX as they're also known, can consist of special effects such as explosions, fire, and smoke, or be something as simple as an animated shape. They're a fabulous way of adding an extra level of appeal to your videos and keeping the viewer's attention firmly on your video instead of getting distracted and losing interest. Visual effects are widely used in movie production when they're often integral to the story and its appeal, but when used sparingly, they can take any video to another level. Here's a couple of websites that can help make your videos look expensive without it costing you a penny. Footage Crate is an excellent site if you're looking for special effects and motion graphics for your videos without breaking the bank. You can download up to 5 items each day by creating a free account on the site, including motion elements, anamorphic flares, fire and sparks, transitions, and more. You can use the downloads for personal and commercial use, including projects you make money from, but make sure you read Footage Crate's terms for the exact conditions you need to stick to when you use their assets in your projects. I mentioned the Videvo website earlier when I was talking about stock footage, and they also have more than 1,300 motion graphic and video effects clips too. Once again, remember to tick the box to show only free clips and check the license for any clip you use to see if they need attribution under the Creative Commons 3 license. The last site I have for you is Action VFX, which has lots of special effects for video, but only a small number are free. The free stuff includes smoke plumes, dust waves, spell hits, and a few others. Even though the choice is limited if you don't want to pay for anything, you might just find exactly what you need. That's it for my list of video sites. So next time you need some video footage or a special effect, you don't have to visit expensive stock video sites and pay through the nose for a limited license video clip because you know exactly where to go to download some really high quality stuff for free.